Hi, my name is Jackie. I'm 37 years old. 5 months ago, at 36, I had a total hysterectomy. I kept my ovaries, but everything else is gone. I'm gonna show you in this video a few of the things that helped me throughout my recovery, and I'm gonna rate them for you. Famous hysterectomy pillow. Everybody talks about this pillow. If you have joined some of the groups online, you will notice that everybody talks about this pillow. I love this pillow because it's soft, but honestly, I give this a 5 out of 10 just because I didn't use it. It didn't work out for me. So you hang this around your neck, and this is made in a way that is supposed to give you some comfort, cushion, support around your belly. I assume just in case like you have probably pets and they run into you, or kids, or you just never know. This will actually give you some very nice support. Nothing's gonna touch your belly with this. The reason I didn't use this is because I was wearing my band there most of the time. I will show you that as well. I got this from Amazon and it was a very good deal. It came with this gel pack. It called a hot therapy. The doctor didn't advise to use cold therapy until after like 3 days maybe. This pillow has pockets in both sides. See that? So what you do is that you put your ice pack in one of the pockets, and then whoop, you see how it bounces all the way down. Not to worry because it has a belt, and this belt is adjustable. You put it around you like this, and I guess you put it around in here. See, I didn't use this. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but basically this is, it shouldn't be this tight. I'm just rushing, I guess. There you go. I give it a little more slack. So this way you will have your cold pack right here, and it will be touching your belly, and you will be just walking around your house like this. Ta-da! It actually feels very comfortable. I can see how people would love this, but for me, I feel like the binder was my go-to all the time. I give this 5 out of 10 because I didn't use it, but I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's extremely soft, very soft, and up to this day I still use this to sleep. How? Well, when you have a hysterectomy, it's really difficult to sleep on your side. So it took me quite a few weeks to be able to sleep on my side, and when I finally was able to do so, I will lay on my side and use my pillow. Allow me a few seconds to remove this, and I will use my pillow to support my arm. I'm gonna take this away, right? And actually this doesn't bother me in the bed because I just flip my pillow this way, and I will just sleep on my side and rest my arm on top of it with another pillow in between my legs. Now, if you have one of those postpartum pillows, that will be even better. But this is how I sleep most of the time. And I love this pillow because it's really soft. Would I buy it again? No, for a hysterectomy, no for a recovery. My personal opinion and experience, I didn't use it for that, but I actually love it. I actually like it very much just on a regular basis, just to go to sleep and sleep on my side. And sometimes I find myself resting my head on it, and like in this part right here, because you see how it's like, it has like a pico right here. So on this side right here, and it's actually really comfortable. So I will say, if you have the money, the extra money to spend on these, then buy it. But if you're on a budget and you're thinking about whether or not you should get these because of money, then I will definitely hold on to these and just use any other pillow. Because when you're resting, when you're sitting and you just had your hysterectomy, hold on, I'm gonna grab my couch so I can show you. Can you guys see me? All right, I'm gonna put it on the side like that so you can see me. Any other pillow can do. I will just sit down and hold a nice pillow, and hopefully rest if you have a recliner, just like that. If you have your other pillow, think cold packing here. Everything is secure. You will sit down, rest this in between your legs, this triangle shape right here, and just rest. Now this was nice. I did use it for this more times that I just use this to hang around the house. Now this is really nice. This is comfortable. You can even lay your arms, wrap your arms around your pillow, and it's really comfortable. It's actually really comfortable now. Okay. All right, so this is the hysterectomy pillow. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on it, and if you will actually buy it or not. I just wanted to share this because you know, I think it's really important that when we go through important things like that in our lives, that we come together and we share the things that helped us the most and that probably some of us didn't have access to ask somebody about it. I don't know, just hopefully this will be a helpful video for you. If it is, then let me know. Let me know if you have any questions that I can answer for you. I will post more videos. I have a bunch of things that I want to show you, and I will make more videos of that, but this probably is too long already, and my daughter says that I'm kind of awkward, and I think so too. So I'm just, follow me if you want. I'm gonna share about my hysterectomy journey and what led me to it, and I'm just a mom living in the suburbs of Chicago, and I do my best every single day to be the best version of myself. I don't know, this is kind of awkward now.